Cold nights, loud or silent, yeah. City lights blur in the frosted gray, holiday noise pushing me astray. Crowds are dancing but I'm stuck inside, winter's heavy and I cannot hide. Breathing fog while I'm losing pace, my shadow feels like a stranger's face. But then your voice cuts through the static, everything stops, something automatic. You pull me back from where I freeze, turn December into peace. You're my white noise, dreaming a world so cold, breaking up the silence I can't control. Every fear that falls like snow, you melt it down before I know. Stay with me till the storms all fade, my white noise dream, my endless wave. White noise on my skin, pull me back again. Holiday lights flicker in the storm, but your warmth is where I'm reformed. Even when I crumble, even when I break, you give me strength I didn't know I could take. Winter winds try to drown my sound, but with you I stand my ground. When the world feels hostile, sharp like ice, your voice makes every moment feel twice as nice. Heartbeat like thunder in the frozen dark, but your glow draws fire from a single spark. Every doubt that claws at my skin, you shut it down before it sinks in. Glitching fear, rewinding pain, with you I'm alive. Hold me through the static, through every noise and pain.